Hi, class of 2025. This is Miss T.L.L, your YouTube English teacher. Right, two papers down in English. We are left with one to wrap up English for the academic year 2025. And I believe that we can agree that the one that is left is the most challenging amongst the three, right? Is it really challenging? No, I beg to differ. Paper 2, which is literature, is not really difficult. What makes it difficult is that you want to read the summarized version of the particular genres that you're doing at your school. You want to watch a movie of Life of Pi instead of reading Life of Pi. Be honest, because it's 100 chapters. And I'm like, I'm not going to read 100 chapters. I'm going to watch the movie. Forgetting that examiners go into the finer details when coining questions so that to test your critical analysis and comprehension of your genres in totality. I'm therefore saying that your point of departure when you prepare for the English last paper is to ensure that you revise content and details of the plot, you revise the poems, you revise your short story, you revise the drama in terms pertaining to the events that transpired. Don't rush to the questions. Forget about the questions, because for you to master the skill of answering questions, you need to know the details. Why am I saying that? Remember, you can never answer literature questions using general statement. Even opinion-based questions in literature, you still need to beef or substantiate your response or your opinion using evidence from the source. And what is your source? Events that transpired in your short story, in your novel, in your drama, or what happened in the poem. Even though it can be an opinion-based question. Your discussion questions that test your ability to analyze the main themes in a short story, poem, all your genres that you have done at your respective schools. You are not going to use your opinions. So therefore, hence I say, your point of departure is starting by revising the details. Right. Secondly, now, once you are satisfied that you really understand the plot, you have went through the plot, you really understand the poem, what the poem is about, what the poet talks about in that particular poem, then that's when now you can start revising using previous question papers.